Okay, welcome to my official YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a business Facebook account. Understand? How to get your own business Facebook page ready for you to start using them for anything based on your YouTube social link and lots more. So right now we have two Facebook apps right here. We have the Facebook Lite and we also have the main Facebook app right here. So we'll be using the main Facebook app and we'll click on it. So once it opens up, we'll go straight to start creating our own Facebook page. But before that, you must have a timeline before you can start creating up a Facebook page. So make sure you have a timeline before you can start doing this. You understand? So right now, let's click on the top right here to create our Facebook page. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will open up. Then you click on pages. Click on pages. Once it opens up, you click on the top right here. Understand? You click on the top right here to create your own. This is where all our pages we have. You have to manage them. You see them here. So click on create. Click on get started and type your page name. Understand? Something like type best channel tips. Once you type your Facebook name, you click on next. So choose your category. You know your category, your niche. So if it is entertainment, beauty or personal, I'll just choose personal blogging for this. Then website. Understand? If you don't have a website, that is www.this. If you have a YouTube channel, you can use your YouTube channel as your website. So let me teach you how to do that. Go back to your home page. Click on your YouTube app. Once it opens up, you click on this part up here. Click on this icon up here. Click on it. Click on your channel. Then click on these three dots up here. Click on share. Then click on here to copy. Click on it to copy. You have copied it. So go back right now and go back to the app. Okay. So right now click on this place and hold it. Click on paste. You have pasted it and click on next. So right now they say you should add your cover photo and your profile picture. You can do that on your own. So you just click on done. So right now we have created our own business Facebook page. So this is how to create it. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to customize and optimize your page to look good, to be brandy and all these things. I'll do that in the next video. So this is how to create your Facebook page. So go right now and implement, and you have your own Facebook page created for you. So if you like this video, please make sure you smash the like button and please subscribe to this channel and give good comments down below. Thank you. See you in the next video.